So the first thing that really, for me, when I was really planning starting my own brokerage was the fact that, all right, I gotta almost kind of, make a mind shift or paradigm shift from being in production and start attraction side of the business. In other words, attracting agents to join my organization. Now, before I was a broker owner, I ran my own team for about 3.5, 4 years. And even though the recruiting was important, it was not important enough. It was more about really production. It was more about lead generation. It was making sure that the agents are being developed. The recruiting was almost kind of like haphazardly done here and there, where we recruit a couple of agents. Most of the recruiting was actually kind of organic in terms of agents would reach out to us and say, look, I want to join your team. That was pretty much it. So there was a lot of consistencies. As a broker owner, for me, from day one, it's all about recruiting. It's all about attracting agents. It's all about developing agents. And it's all about creating an environment for these agents to flourish and grow their businesses.